Line itong Binyan. Tama ba ako? Dati mga Pasay Voyagers to no? Damian Lasco,
Tama.
Warren Bonifacio.
Desoyo returning here in the MPBL. Boy Alves drives right. Nakawala sa depensa.
Well, it matters sometimes really keep
To the elbow. Soriano. Back to Bam Lopez.
mismatch. Good
Kick out.
skip.
Lasco open free.
Yeah.
Knocks it down.
That was a good skip immediately when they saw
Shot blocked by Jopet Soriano.
leak out.
Soriano, the catch and the finish of that gorgeous assist from Bam Lopez.
Pag-usapan natin this, but every time you have an opportunity to run, they will do that.
Malakas yung tira ni Alex Desoyo. Lasco again to a running Soriano. Pass outside. Bonifacio. Lista mo na.
Pagkatapos, where he's very comfortable around the 15 feet line at the nail.
Lasco. Another attempt at a free. He is feeling it right now. Back-to-back frees from Damian Lasco.
The mga una, he's getting free after especially making that first tee earlier.
Sunga forcing his way inside. Scoring 2 points for Sarangani.
Ay ganun ka.
Subido surveying the floor. Baseline drive.
Nice pass.
Free throw line jumper by Warren Bonifacio will trickle in. Daming iyawan sa likod.
You have, Coach Monching Talisayon forming this team alongside Coach Boyet. As you see a basket right there.
Bit of a difficult situation there.
Another one incoming.
Libre na naman at pasok na naman galing kay Damian Lasco.
Tatlong tres na yan para kay Damian Lasco on an early run.
Desoyo. Kenny Waporba, active hands. Boy Alves tries a jumper and he will nail it from 20 feet.
One might argue na iba talaga
Kurt Papua, baseline drive. Ryan Lakap tries another free. This time he hits it.
Lakap was been, post
from
him up.
there.
Yeah, they want to post him up.
Inaatake nila si Kurt Papua.
Pero nakatulong si Danny.
Mike Mabula with that familiar short jumper.
Yeah.
Getaway move! Just couldn't finish.
Sayang, ibang klaseng kilos na yun.
Akurva sidestep beauty on the other end.
Bihira mga puntos nila mga first quarter. 6 sa mga field goal makes nila, as you see a 3 right there by Ken Brillantes, have really come from the 3-point.
Akurva nakasungkit na naman ng rebound.
Oh man.
Akurva just waltzing through the lane to score 2 more points. Mabulak. Pull-up jumper short. Rebound by Danny Marilao. Quickly ahead. Marjun Wahing has one guy to beat. Lays it up and in over Carlo Lastimosa.
Yung delay ng first step ng Lastimosa against that defense.
Mabulak sa loob. Pasahan. Akurva, despite the contact, able to finish.
The unselfish Mark Pinglis just giving it up over to Kenny Rocakurva. You think Kenny was ready for that pass?
Marjun Wahing. Brillantes.
Nice.
Backdoor cut. And Mapua can't score. And reinforcements coming in.
See this move right here by Kenny. This was off a rebound. Got past 3 white shirts. Humihit pa
Oo.
Sa kabila naman, this finish right here of that slowed down first step.
Lastimosa pumukol sa dress. No good. Sa kay Brillantes ang bola. Back to Kurt Mapua.
Look at the speed.
Kurt Mapua!
Man.
Bursting inside. 2 points plus a foul.
Walang
Maaari. Aniban nasa loob. Uy, nahanap si Danny Marilao kahit masikip. Making their returns for Sarangani.
nice.
Brillantes faking off everybody. They thought this gonna...
I don't think that was a travel. Watch out.
Boy taking off. But there, to stick it back in off the miss was J-Mark Impayan.
And
10 minutes eh.
Oo, limited kasi yung minutes niya.
Malyari goes in the paint. Gets the friendly bounce on the teardrop.
Tournament to another, started progressing.
Desoyo pulling up. Finally, able to score his first field goal.
At kailangan you definitely want to form a group of players that would be able to get them over that hump. Pinaka magandang finish na yun para sa Binyan last season.
Ganda nung hanap ni Bam Lopez sa loob kay Warren Bonifacio.
And Warren is always going to be a given para dito sa Binyan.
Given na rin na pag binigyan mo lang maliit na puwang, him. Bam Lopez, entry pass. Bonifacio stepping in. And 2 more points for the former Mapua Cardinal.
This is a team now in the preseason. There's still a good chance that you get to play with another team, no?
Oo.
Depende sa magiging end up ng team.
Kasi during that free agency and trade window, so not enough time for him to fully acclimate himself with Binyan. And sama mo pa dyan na injure pa siya.
Exposure niya, it was on the job, on the fly, that he learned how to play alongside Mark Pingles. Because like what you said, he really was just plug and play. Pero nakikita mo yung momentary, certain close game situations na they couldn't figure out where Warren was gonna be in the floor as well as si Mark Pingles.
That's play that power forward position more. Kasi sa Pasay, as you see, Alex Desoyo swoop in and score. Bonus free throw coming up after getting fouled. Sa Sarangani naman, ano magiging identity nila heading into the season?
Yes. Yan ang malaking question. Ano yung identity nila?
Now it's with Pamboy Raimundo. Raimundo settles
shot.
for an outside shot.
Good
It's
shot.
a free.
That is one other veteran guard na alam mong may ibibigay sa'yo ang isang Pamboy Raimundo eh.
Tatakbo na naman ang Binyan. Roa Curva, wala.
Oh my.
Gimpaya nandoon for 2 more points.
They're trying.
Caballero driving down the lane. Could not finish, however.
Pull up.
Big Pascual,
There you go.
yes!
And those are shots that you want him to take. I mean, of course, I've always admired yung pamilyang finorm nitong Binyan Tatakjer. I'm from the San Pedro area, and I'm more or less.
He fires a free immediately. Can't get it to go, however. Roa Curva nakatakas. Naipasa ni Mabula kay J-Mark Gimpayan who lays it up and in.
Bigs running the lanes. The bigs, Warren Bonifacio, Mike Mabula, J-Mar Gimpayan.
Lakap swishes in. A shot from downtown.
Might say one.
Okay, Brian Lakap. Pamboy thinking about it. Roa Curva, shot fake. Attacks using his offhand. Sobrang swabe naman nun.
Oh. Well, Kenny is Kenny.
Ooh,
there you go.
umiinit na si Vince Pascual. Recovery by Pamboy Raimundo. Roa Curva settles for a free. Umalog palabas pero nandoon for the putback once again was Waray Gimpayan.
Supportive that to Kyle.
Ito si Mike, batang-bata pa. Lays it up and in.
Parang si Kyle lang yung puminis dun. Rob, sabi ko na anak mo yung series nung isa.
Paubos na yung oras dito sa third quarter. Roa Curva, patuloy pa rin ang pagpuntos up to 14 points. We begin the fourth period. Battle between Sarangani and Binyan. We saw Binyan got off to a really strong start in the first.
To say happy Valentine's to her beautiful wife in Christine. Nanonood sila ngayon. At gusto raw niya i-surprise na nabati siya. Valentine's.
Counted yan, ha? Conversion ni Poy Poy Aktub.
Be back here in the MPBL.
lumalim na rin kasi yung lineup nitong Binyan.
Correct.
Lakap. Ano,
Mga weakness nila in the early season just so they understand ano yung magiging adjust. Oh!
pinakitaan tayo na tira sa labas ni Boy Boy Aktub. Lakap, gustong sagutin yan. He does. Back-to-back freeze from Brian Lakap. Bounce pass, Mark Pingris. Outside, Lastimosa. Boy Boy. Give it
Nice.
go with J-Mar Gimpayan. Lays it up and in.
Wow! 3 out of 3 on his last 3 attempts and 1 from 3.
Rock de Guzman. Gustong sumali. He hits a free.
Dito sa fourth quarter sa Paco Arena pagka fourth. Grabe yung shooting, ha?
Bago din yung net eh.
Oo.
Isa nakakagana yan eh.
Totoo.
Ha?
Yung
Diba, papalitan na siya eh. He stays on the floor. Rap de Guzman guarding JJ Pido. Boy Boy. Galing sa tres. Yes!
boy,
All in this payoff period.
I don't think he's missed in this quarter yet.
Bola na agaw. Dignadice, kakapasok lang. Using his left hand for the finish.
This is where you really would love to go post. Remember I said about the post being one of the toughest part to score. But if you have a guy like Mark Pinglis, it doesn't matter. You have to team up with sila Paulo Ubade.
Yeah, MoneyPay is the digital wallet built for the community.
Yeah, I remember watching, games dun sa Valenzuela. Talaga nga naman, another 3 by Brian.
Brian Lakap. Isa yan sa departments that they were clearly lacking last season.
Yes,
That outside shooting. They were dead last in terms of threes.
that's right. They made all short of breakaway layup.
Bola na agaw ni J. Mark Palyari who will lay it up and in easily on the other side.
Yung pork chop.
Yung pork chop, tama.
2 dings.
Two
Pork chop.
dings, yun.
Pag napunta tayo sa Binyan, promise, dadala ko kayo ng 2 dings.
Sige. Lions brand ng Pilipinas. Number 6 seed naman sila the following year. Nakalaban nila Rizal who was surging then as Topet Soriano will score underneath. Another key addition.
3:45 a.m. there. Close friend of mine, Edwin Panganiban. This guy used to play for San Sebastian. And a
Boy.
slam right there by Poy Poy Aktub.
The Binyan will secure this victory over Sarangani behind a strong second half. 14 points, 8 rebounds en route to this victory of Binyan Megawagi over Sarangani 10 Act 101-78.